Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fourth. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back. If you want to see how I got my brows from this to this, please stay tuned. Enjoy, like, subscribe if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up if you love it. There are basic tools you'll be needing when you want to do your brows, one of which is a spoolie brush. This is how it looks like. If you don't have a spoolie brush, you can just take out this kind of brush from your old mascara and wash it, and then you have a spoolie brush. For the eye pencil today, I'll be using this eye pencil from MAC. I got this for 150 naira. It's very cheap, but it works magic. Using this spoolie brush, I'm just gently combing my natural brows upwards so I could have a clear view of the line underneath my eyebrows in order for me to be able to follow it with my MAC eye pencil. As you all can see, I'm just creating very short stroke. It's just like tracing for primary school, just creating short strokes under to really define underneath the brows. So this is how it looks after I have lined underneath my brows. Next up, using the same eye pencil, I'm just going to create short strokes in the brows and on top the brows. But for on top the brows, I'm not going to draw a very straight line. No, I'm still going to use short strokes. Like, that's the best way I get my brows looking all natural. Going back in with my spoolie brush, I'm just going to comb the brows like into that shape. And if you notice, I didn't really line the front of my brows. Is it the front of my brows? Okay, the beginning of the brows, because I want it to have this natural effect. For concealer, I'll be using the Adventure Blend Pro concealer in the shade Cinnamon, and also my V Beauty foundation. Using the concealer applicator, I'm just applying some few dots on my brow bone. That way I could get a more precise result. And I remember that this concealer dries crazy, so that's why I didn't apply to the other eyebrow. And grabbing that same brush from Zoeva, I'm just going to use this to clean underneath the brows, blending this into my skin and then following that line I've already made with the concealer to just conceal everything and get a very nice and sharp eyebrow. Going in with my V Beauty foundation, I'm just patting on the excess on my hand, and then I'm going to use this to just conceal the beginning of my brows. You all should note that this foundation is my skin shade. You want to use a foundation that is your skin shade for the beginning of your brows, and a concealer or whatever you want to use, a foundation 2 shades lighter than your skin for your brow bone area. It gives it this beautiful effects that you can just set with a setting powder without an eyeshadow, and you're ready to go. Using my finger, I'm just patting everything together, like I'm trying to blend those two concealers together. You can use a brush if you like, whatever rocks your boat. Going back in with my spoolie brush and my V Beauty concealer, I'm just rubbing it on that spoolie brush and gently using it to comb my eyebrow. This is a little trick I do to get my eyebrow looking all natural. That's if you don't have a brow mascara, you can do this, but if you have, you can just use your brow mascara and you're ready to go. Now I'm just using my finger to blend that foundation I used into the eyebrow. Now you could see the difference. For my daily routine, guys, I do not line the top of my brows because I feel like after I have applied foundation, everything just blends. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do so, still using my V Beauty foundation and also that brush I've been using. I'm just cleaning on top of my brows with it, and I'm just making short strokes. Like, you just want to be very careful at this point because any little mistake can just ruin your brows. So yes, this is how it looks after I have lined the top of my brows. After lining with the foundation and blending it into my skin, this is how it looks. I hope you guys like it. After slaying your brows this way, you can do your foundation routine and everything looks snatched. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up if you loved it, and I would really love to hear your comments on how your tutorial went, on how you slayed your brows this way. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.